Hi, Miss Pierce's class. It's Mr. Bray, your technology teacher. I don't know if you remember me. I was your special the last time around. I made this video, making this video to share with you the amount of lines we coded as a class, as well as our top 5 coders. Those of you who are in the building, and if you get a chance to walk by my room, you will see all the lines coded for our day 4 students, along with the top coder in each classroom, the 5th, the 4th, the 3rd, the kindergarten, and the 1st grade. So I also wanted to make this for our friends at home who don't get a chance to walk by the classroom, can still see what it looks like in front of our technology room. So without further ado, let's get to our top 5 coders. Number 5, John, way to go, bud, with 579 lines. There's actually a tie for 4th place. There is no 5th place. John and Camilo had the exact same amount of lines coded. How crazy is that? John and Camilo, awesome job. It's crazy that you guys had the same exact number when you're dealing with such big numbers. That's awesome. Our 3rd place coder was Connor with 613 lines coded. Connor, awesome job, dude. Way to go. Our number 2 coder, 2nd place, was Harley with 661 lines of code. Harley, amazing. And here we go. Drum roll, please. Our top coder of 3rd grade is Tyler with 1,028 lines coded. Tyler, that is amazing. Our total for our class was 8,345 lines of code we completed. So I'm so proud of you guys. If you see up here, for all of day 4 students, we coded 51,935 lines of code. Yes, it goes all the way to the ceiling. Just an amazing job for all of our day 4 students, especially my 3rd graders. You guys did an amazing, amazing job. So I hope you enjoy your next special. And if you're in school and you're walking by, stop in and say hello. Have a wonderful rest of your day, everybody. Take care. Bye-bye.